What is so great about smoking guns is that they come in every sort of shape and size. There are those that match even the smallest of budgets, and those that tackle the most gourmet of meals. Regardless, they all get the smoking job done and will leave you wanting for more. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best food smoker guns. So let's get started. Number 5. MidBack Cold Smoking Gun. The MidBack portable handheld cold smoking gun has a few fun features among many other more standard ones. First, it comes with a smoking dome, which can be a great feature when you are trying to show off your culinary skills to your dinner party. It is specially designed and makes smoking individual items with flair a total breeze. This smoker can be handheld during use, but you can also sit and leave it to smoke on its own if you are busy around the kitchen preparing other things. This smoker has also been made to be portable. No longer will you be confined to the space that your extension cord allows you to be. Even better than it being portable, it has a long battery life and can be recharged when your smoking has drained its life. This smoking gun comes with all the bells and whistles, and makes a great smoker for those who are entering the world of infused foods for the first time. Even as a gift, this smoking gun will impress even the most weathered of chefs. Number 4. Timketh Smoking Gun Food Smoker Infuser. The Timketh Smoking Gun Food Smoker Infuser is actually quite an attractive smoker. It is available in 2 different colors, but the gold color is one that looks sleek as you prepare the most deliciously infused dishes. Along with its aesthetic appeal, you can use all sorts of wood chips and other sorts of smoking items such as dried flowers and herbs to infuse all sorts of dishes. This smoking gun is also great as it is completely portable. Keep in mind, it is battery charged and the batteries must be supplied by you. If you are wanting a smoker that is rechargeable or contains a strong battery that is provided by the producer to keep it running, this may be something to consider as your at-home batteries will not have a super long lifespan. Other than this, the smoking gun produces a great amount of smoke and is easy to clean when it has seen a few too many dishes. Easy to assemble and disassemble, this is a great smoking gun for those who like all things pretty. Number 3. Nia Home & Kitchen Smoking Gun Cold Smoker. The Nia Home & Kitchen 2-in-1 Smoking Gun Cold Smoker and Vacuum Sealer is another smoking gun that is able to provide for all of your needs for smoking, but can also keep your dishes fresh by using its provided vacuum sealer. It has 3 different smoking levels as well, helping you to have control over the level of smokiness flavor you desire for differing dishes like cheese or fish. This bad boy can stand on its own as well, which helps you to leave it and forget it while tackling other duties. One great feature that this smoking fun possesses that many others do not is that the detachable burn chamber and smoking barrel are completely dishwasher safe. This is good news for those of you like me that absolutely hate having to hand wash anything after a long day of cooking. Nobody needs that. Number 2. Handy Smoker Gun Infusion Set. The Handy Smoker is a great option if you want something sleek, but also need something with a few more items to go along with it. The Handy Smoker comes with a smoking dome as well as a cup lid cover to help infuse liquids. Both of these are great to have on hand without having to find something around the house to contain the smoke within either your dish or your drink. We all want to make life a bit easier, and with the products that come with the Handy Smoker, that is possible. The Handy Smoker also comes with 2 smoking levels as well. Although not 3 as some have, the 2 levels should be plenty to get the level of smoke you want for any recipe. This smoker is portable and battery powered, but does require batteries provided by you. Keep this in mind if you want a smoker that is rechargeable, because the Handy Smoker does not offer such a feature. Regardless, it has a lot of features that can justify the need for batteries. Number 1. Gramorcy Kitchen Company Portable Smoke Infuser Bundle. The worst part about getting something in the mail is realizing you do not have everything you need to get started immediately on the task you planned to get going the second it arrived. It is absolutely infuriating, but the Gramorcy Kitchen Company Portable Smoke Infuser Bundle changed all of that for you. Instead of having to go out and buy your own wood chips or buy them separately online, wood chips are provided with this smoking gun, meaning you can get started as soon as you open the box. This smoker is totally portable and comes with its own cleaning brush to make scrubbing up a breeze. It also comes with replacement parts just in case things for some reason go south, as well as a storage bag to keep all of its accessories together. There are few things as frustrating as losing needed parts in the black abyss of drawers, and this smoking gun solves that problem. Smoke away with plenty of smoke and lots of sleekness with the Gramorcy Kitchen Company Portable Smoker. That was our list of the top 5 best food smoker guns just for you.